Unlock style, comfort, and luxury, blended to perfection at HERE Champaign, your premium student abode in Champaign. Pick from charming 2- and 4-bedroom apartments that come with spacious beds, ample storage in sturdy wardrobes, and the convenience of a refrigerator and microwave. Your in-unit washer and dryer has got you covered for hassle-free laundry. Use blazing fast free Wi-Fi for completing college assignments, or hit the power-packed gym to boost energy levels. Greet golden hours on the rooftop sun deck, or head to the ecstasy-packed bowling alley or theater lounge to refresh. 24/7 surveillance and security are available for your safety, so you can rest easy. You'll be just moments away from the University of Illinois Urbana and Parkland College by car, so campus will always be within close reach. City hopping is effortless with buses from Green and 2nd, Northeast Corner, and the Champaign Urbana train station. So don't keep your new home waiting. Book your room at HERE Champaign via amberstudent.com now.